How's everybody doing? The tablet died on me, let the battery run down. Anyway, hopefully you saw in the thumbnail. I have the Clown Puke brush. This was a pour by ARKO Sorrentino. So we're going to use that. It's got a white synthetic knot in it. We are going to use an ARKO stick that I have in that tube. There goes my phone. Give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Wife is away. And that was her. Didn't want to ignore it. Okay, so besides the ARKO stick, I am going with this. It's a lemon, not really aftershave. It's an Eau de Cologne. So used as an aftershave. It's a Turkish one. I think it's called Duru. D-U-R-U. You can get it on Amazon. This was generously gifted to me by Tommy. It is on here and on the forum as well. And we are using a Goodwill Gillette. I think it's the 162. I can't remember the numbers, to be honest with you. Let me get a fresh blade in this. And I just grabbed one that was laying here. Is this Filoso, which is Ollie-Works, ones that they'd sent with a razor I had purchased from them. My Ollie-Works titanium 3-piece. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open this. It's a double wrapped one, so pulling it out of this now. And we'll throw that aside there. So Filoso, the barber's blade, it says on it. It says the same thing on both sides. There you go. Got a few days growth as can be seen here. And let's go ahead and slip that in. Have to be careful tightening this. I could use a different handle, but the original handle has a split in it, and so of course that neck tries to loosen. So I gotta tighten by grabbing the neck. Alright, let me wet the face and we'll get some lather going here. I'm rushing today, sort of, so it's going to be a quick one, hopefully. Now, I think that's more than enough of the ARKO. I can always put more on if need be. People are polarized by ARKO. I get the lemon that it has. I understand some say, oh, it smells like a urinal stick. I think that's because the urinal stick is lemon scented, but you know, anyway. You let whatever you want to run through your head while you shave. There are lots of other things that have lemon scents too. But it's not a fresh squeezed lemon. More of an industrial type scent, obviously. You know, like a urinal stick. But there's no denying how well it lathers. Alright, so let's wet the blade. See if we can remove some of this. So this is one of the, I've got more than one Goodwill razor, but this is the one with the nice etchings, indents, whatever you want to call them, on the head, the design. So I'm sure someone that's watching will see this and they'll be talking to their device and saying, that's a such and such, that's a number this. Like I said, I don't know why 162 or 9 is stuck in my head. Feel free to chime in and correct me, that's fine. No problem with that. Alright, so you can see just one pass and clean things up nice, but we're going to try to hit 3 quick ones. And then I'll let you go because I've got things to get to. Friday afternoon, I'll try to get this uploaded real quick. Dave was up way past his bedtime. I turn in early because I don't sleep well, and so then I get tired and try to turn in early, but I was invited to go to an awards dinner last night for our company. One best places, one of the medium-sized companies, one of the awards for best places to work in Kentucky. So, nice dinner. Award received. It was a nice time, but I'm not much of a night owl like I was when I was younger. So minimal sleep last night, and I have things going on today and through the weekend. So during a lunch break, get a quick shave in. It's odd, sometimes I'll stroke or feel the beard growth coming in, and I like the feel of it, and there's other times it just flat out annoys me, so. I was ready to have that clean shave feeling again. So, how do you roll? Clean shave everything on your face? Have a goatee, just a mustache, full beard, just trim around it in your neck. Head shaver, how do you roll? You get a rinse. There are no rules. Do what works for you, right? Are no rules. Anybody remember that Little Caesars commercial? There was something going on. I took off a pimple over here. I don't know if it was the ordering process or what. Skinny guy goes into Little Caesars and like asking him what he wanted or something. He said, she says, there are no rules. He says, there are no rules. And he pulls his shirt off and she says, put your shirt back on. He says, there's one rule. And he puts his shirt back on. Anyway, there's a text coming in. Let me get some witch hazel and then aftershave here. Get going. Anyway, as far as shaving is concerned, there's no rules. Do what works for you. Make it enjoyable for you. no matter what hair you grow in, with all this lemon stuff, just keep it neatly trimmed. Do what you want, but look presentable in life, right? It is economical stuff, and popular in Turkey, I believe, is where it hails from. I'm going to get a little bit more here. So, very nice. Thank you, Tommy. Appreciate you, man. Fellow Kentucky brother. All right, there you go. So, Goodwill shave, 11 minutes. We're in and out. Hope you have a great weekend. Dave in Kentucky. Be kind, be safe out there. We'll see you on the forum.